Hi students, good morning. நாம் இன்னைக்கு 10th social science first lesson first world war பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். என்னடா எடுத்தோன்னே first world war அப்படின்னு பயப்படாதீங்க. ஹிஸ்ட்ரினா நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும். ஸ்டடி ஆஃப் பாஸ்ட் மட்டும் இல்லை, ஸ்டடி ஆஃப் டிஃபீட். இட் இஸ் த ஸ்டடி ஆஃப் சக்ஸஸ் அண்ட் ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ், ஸ்டடி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். ஒவ்வொரு இண்டிவிஜுவல் பர்சனாக நம்ம லைஃப்பில் நிறைய தோல்விகளை சந்திச்சிருப்போம். பட் அந்த தோல்விகள் தான் நமக்கான சக்ஸஸ்க்குரிய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். அதே மாதிரி தாங்க நம்ம நாட்டுக்கும் உலகில் பெரிய பெரிய நாடுகள்லாம் நிறைய தோல்விகள் அவங்க வாழ்க்கையில் சந்திச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நமக்கும் அந்த பெரிய அனுபவத்தை அந்த தோல்விகள் கற்றுக் கொடுத்துட்டு தான் போயிருக்கு. இப்போ நம்ம இந்த லெசனில் ஒரு ஒரு புதிய அனுபவத்தை தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க லெசனை பார்ப்போம். Outbreak of World War I and its aftermath. 1914 to 1918. 1914 is a turning point in world history. The political and social process that began in 1789 culminated in the First World War that broke out in that year and decisively shaped the course of the 20th century. In this lesson, we discuss the circumstances leading to the outbreak of the First World War and its repercussions, including the Russian Revolution and formation of an international peace organization, namely the League of Nations. Scramble for colonies. A striking feature of 19th century was that Europe emerged as the dominant power while Asia and Africa was colonized and exploited. Monopoly capitalism, an exclusive central over the trade as production of a commodity or service through exclusive possessions. Imperialism, the policy of forcefully extending a nation's authority by territorial gain or by the establishment of economic and political dominance over the nations. The rivalry of great powers. Europe. In the 19th century, European powers had colonized many other countries. By 1880, most of the Asian countries had been colonized. After 1870, England, France, Belgium, Italy, and Germany joined in the scramble for colonies. Clashes amongst great powers. National rivalry led to frequent clashes between the great powers in Asia and Africa and Europe. The rise of Japan. With a modern army and navy, Japan had emerged as an advanced industrialized power. The crushing defeat of China by Little Japan in the Sino-Japanese War 1894-95 surprised the world. By this action, Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. Strong arm diplomacy of Japan. After 1905, Japan took control of Korean domestic and foreign policy. The confusion in China following the downfall of the Manchu dynasty in 1912 provided Japan an opportunity for further expansion. This strong arm diplomacy aroused the hostility of both China and the European powers. Colonization and its fallout. In 1876, barely 10% of Africa was under European rule. By 1900, practically the whole of Africa was colonized. Now let's see the causes of the First World War. European alliance and counter-alliance. Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Italy, under the guidance of Bismarck, they had formed the Triple Alliance in 1882. Thus was formed the Triple Entente of Britain, France, Russia in 1907. Violent forms of nationalism. England's jingoism, France's chauvinism, German's Kultur were militant forms of nationalism, contributing decisively to the outbreak of war. Aggressive attitude of German Emperor. Emperor Kaiser William of Germany proclaimed that Germany would be the leader of the world. The German navy was expanded. Germans' aggressive diplomacy and rapid building of naval bases convinced Britain that a German navy could be directed only against her. Hostility of France towards Germany. France and Germany were old rivals. Bitter memories of the defeat of 1871 and loss of Alsace and Lorraine to Germany rankled in the minds of the French. German interference in Morocco added to the bitterness. The Balkan Wars. In March 1912, Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria, and Montenegro formed the Balkan League. The League attacked and defeated Turkish forces in the First Balkan War 1912 13. According to the Treaty of London signed in May 1913, the Second Balkan War ended with the signing of the Treaty of Bucharest in August 1913. The Balkan Wars. In March 1912, Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria, and Montenegro formed the Balkan League. The league attacked and defeated Turkish forces in the First Balkan War 1912 13. According to the Treaty of London signed in May 1913, the Second Balkan War ended with the signing of the Treaty of Bucharest in August 1913. Immediate cause. In June 28, 1914, Austrian Crown Prince Francis Ferdinand and his wife Isabella were assassinated by a Serbian lad at Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia. Austria sent an ultimatum to Serbia with humiliating terms. When Serbia ignored the ultimatum, Austria declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. Course of the war. Two warring camps. Central powers. The warring nations were divided into two. The Central Powers consisted of Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, and Bulgaria. Italy West was earlier with Germany and Austria had left. Allies. Nine states that opposed the Central Powers were Russia, France, Britain, Italy, the United States, Belgium, Serbia, Romania, and Greece. Tsar attempt for peace. Tsar Nicholas II of Russia arranged the two peace conference were held at The Hague in Holland in 1899 and 1907, but in vain. Battles of Tannenberg and Marne. Russian forces invaded East Prussia. Germany defeated them decisively. At the Battle of Marne, the French succeeded in pushing back of the Germans. Paris was thus saved. The Battle of Marne is memorable for trench warfare. Trench warfare, trenches or ditches dug by troops enabled soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from enemy fire. The main lines of trenches were connected to each other and to the rear by a series of linking trenches through which food, ammunition, fresh troops, mail, and orders were delivered. Battle of Verdun. Between February and July 1916, the Germans attacked Verdun, the famous fortress in the French line. The Battle of Verdun, however, decided the fortunes of the war in favor of the Allies. War in Eastern or Russian front. Russia wanted peace and consequently it signed the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk 3rd March 1918 with Germany. In the Middle East, Turkey also fought on the side of the Central Powers. Britain attacked Turkey in Iraq and later in Palestine and Syria. In the Far East, China also joined the allies. Japan made use of the occasion of threatened China into setting valuable concession and privilege. In the Balkans, the Austro-German army, in coordination with Bulgaria, crushed Serbia. Serbia came under German rule. Italy falls to Austrian onslaught. Italy formally joined the Allies in the war in May 1916. But when the Germans came to Austria's help, the Italians collapsed. Central Powers victories. The Central Powers successfully occupied Belgium and a part of France in the northeast, Poland, Serbia, and Romania. Naval battles and America's entry into the war. Lusitania, an American ship, was torpedoed by a German submarine. There was a lot of resentment in the USA, and the President Woodrow Wilson declared war against Germany in April 1917. Result of the war. Treaty of Versailles. Germany ultimately surrendered in November 11, 1918. Peace Conference in Paris. The Peace Conference opened in Paris in January 1919. 2 months after the signing of the armistice, Woodrow Wilson, USA, Lloyd George, Prime Minister of England, and Clemenceau, the Prime Minister of France, played a very important part in the deliberations. On 28 June 1919, the peace treaty was signed in the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles. Separate treaties were drawn up and signed by the Allies with the defeated countries. Impact on India. India and Indians had taken an active part in the war, believing that Britain would reward India's loyalty, but only disappointment was in store. Thus, the war had multiple effects on Indian society, economy, and polity. ஓகே, இன்னும் வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டிங்களா? நீங்கள் பார்த்துட்ட எப்போவுமே வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நோட்ஸ் எடுத்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. அதாவது ஹிண்ட் மாதிரி எடுத்து வச்சுக்கணும். இட் வில் பி வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் அவர் ஸ்டடீஸ். ஓகே, இந்த ஹைஃபை இந்த குரூப்புக்கு சேனலுக்கு எல்லோரும் லைக் பண்ணி ஷேர் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.